Today's Aston Martin is very, very cool. We've serviced it for many years, and prior to that, it was purchased out of the UK by one of our very good clients. It was then sent to RS Williams, where they completely refurbished the car and converted the engine to a 4.7 liter Vantage spec engine. So it's more horsepower than the standard Vantage spec by far. And I believe it was converted to a 5-speed manual from an automatic. And yes, kids, it was originally Fiesta Red, so no harm has come from changing the color for sure. So we're going to take it for a ride, and we're going to enjoy this one, I'm sure.
Right, well, our usual, fired right up. It's got a RS Williams short shift kit, which is really, really nice as well. Listen, I could tell you all that this car does absolutely everything right and has been gone through by some of the best hands in the business, as RS Williams are known. So maybe we'll let the car speak for itself, and I will save my breath a little bit. Let's go. Let's come back to you as soon as she warms up and we can really get on it. For those of you who have not driven any DB 4.7 liter RS Williams engine, it is awesome. I mean, it's completely transforms a DBS, which, as much as I love them, the DBS is one of those cars that, or one of those models that I absolutely love, because I rewound the beginning of On Her Majesty's Secret Service about a bazillion times just to hear the exhaust note when he pulls up to the hotel. So, this is James Bond plus. Really, really awesome. So, here we go. We're going to go down on Twisty Road and show you the DBS actually, although it appears to be a pretty big car, is, especially with the handling kit, is extremely nimble. Power steering is excellent. Car tracks wonderfully. They're great tour cars. This one's even better because of the power and the handling and the amount of money spent on it to bring it to this condition. It's been lovingly owned and cared for. Outside, but should be interesting. It will look good no matter what. I don't think anyone will ever find a better DBS than this, that has been dialed in, that is in exceptional color combination, that is turnkey with the best of them, and has had just a hell of a lot of money spent on it to bring it to this condition. The ZF gearbox is exceptionally nice to begin with. 5th gear, 4th gear. With the RS Williams short shift kit, it is that much more pleasurable. We're going to put it in 2nd gear and get on it. Frequented RS Williams in the day for a 4.7 liter Vantage spec engine, I don't think Blofeld could have come close to catching us. So I hope you really enjoyed this one, because I definitely have enjoyed this one, and it'll be hard to actually sell this one because I really like it that much, but I'm sure it'll go to a good home, and we can't keep them all. So hope you enjoyed.